Hey everybody, Tammy Schmidt here with Sort, Organize, Sustain. Today I want to share with you what you can expect when you attend the free training to learn all about creating your own paper management system. Back to school is right around the corner here where I am. Maybe your kids are already in school. The class is going to work for all paper management. Back to school is a particular time when the papers coming into the house really kind of flares up, right? So what you can expect during our time together, you can expect to learn how to create your own paper management system. And what does that mean, you may be asking? I know I've said it a couple of times already, but have you ever gone out and purchased something that somebody else has created, whether it was to help you get organized, maybe it was a printable off of Pinterest where somebody had created this really cute looking printable and you printed it and you're like, oh, this is going to be the best. It's got everything I need on it. But then you don't use it. Maybe you use it for a week, a couple of days, maybe even a month or two, but then it falls by the wayside. You guys, there's one key ingredient that is missing whenever you buy a package that somebody else creates. It is you, your life, your season of life, your family, your home. You are not considered in the development of that specific program. So instead, what I want to help you do is I want to walk you through the steps to create your own paper management system. It's going to consider you. It's going to consider how many kids you have. It's going to consider the physical flow and layout of your home and how you function within your home. So that's what you can expect. Along with the verbal content of the class will come a workbook. So that workbook is yours to take home. You'll get it digitally. You'll get a hard copy. But that's yours to take home with you, and then you'll have access to me and other people that are also implementing this paper management system within a private Facebook group. So lastly, you guys, you'll receive more information on creating your own home management systems. There's not only paper management, but there's time management. There's physical organization of your home. Those are the kind of things that many packages or printables or blog posts or whatever you happen to be out there researching and reading, those are the things that exist but don't take you into consideration. So I hope this helps you make a decision whether you want to attend this free training or not. I look forward to hearing from you and getting to know you better.